We're in New London, Connecticut, and we are rehabilitating their force main, part of an emergency job that they called us for. So what happened was, saw pressure loss and leakage in the pipe, and they wanted it repaired. The benefits to the city is obviously, it's eco-friendly. You're right here, we're right next to the water, so there's no, sewage or anything going to be leaking out underground and getting towards the harbor or anything like that. Instead of digging up this pipe, which would be a multi-million-dollar project, they're saving money on that aspect of it by just doing a couple of pits here and there and lining it.
Today we're implementing a SAERTEX-LINER pressure pipe SR Plus 12-inch. The project includes about 3,500 feet of 12-inch pressure pipe to do and complete. The SAERTEX pipe is a very unique solution because there's not a lot of liners like that in our area. So we contacted them. Their reps came down and gave us a solution, and that's what we came up with. Basically, this liner is going to last for 50 plus years. They're not going to need to worry about another break. It won't impact traffic anymore. I don't see any worries in the future for 50 plus years.